तस् भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा समुदस् नमो तस् भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा समुदस् नमो तस् भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा समुदस्. On this pious occasion of the 2568th बुद्ध पूर्णिमा और वैशाख डे, first of all I pay my prostrate salutations to the Lord Buddha, Gautam Buddha and his predecessors from Kasyap Buddha to Tanhankar Buddha, with the prayer to bless all of us for long, happy and healthy life. Secondly, I want to say that whether we call it Buddha Purnima or Vaisakh Day, it is in the sense of teaching of the Buddhas. It has the deep and unfathomable meaning, because the enlightenment day or Buddha Purnima of Siddhartha Gautam, which became Vaisakh Day, gave to the world the most effective and great medicine to eradicate the sufferings. Since time immemorial, we are undergoing in the form of repeated birth and deaths in the various states of the 10,000 world cycles, 31st plane of existence. So, Vaisakh Day, as the Buddha said himself, the Mahabhesajya Guru, he is the doctor of the mind. Till date, there is no medicine in the world could be manufactured by any allopathy, whether homeopathy, allopathy, Ayurveda, Unani medicines, dispensation, which can extirpate the deep-rooted three akusal mool, lobh, dvesh, moh, from the psyche of the human beings. But the teachings of the Buddha in the form of the Four Noble Truths, Anitya Dukkha Anatam and Mutpad, is so effective to eradicate this suffering which is set in the minds and consciousness of the humanity since time immemorial. Secondly, Lord Buddha gave new dimensions on the front of the democratic values of the life, just like egalitarianism, socialism, liberty, equality, fraternity and justice. He brought at par all the persons in his Dhamma, may it be king or the poor. Had there been no Buddha, who could emancipate the serial killer Angulimal, Ambapali the courtesan, Sunit the scavenger and the Alvak the devil? So, the teachings of the Buddha is the great foundation of the democratic setup in the world, which the whole world is following these days. On the other side, I want to make a great declaration on this juncture that the Mahabodhi is going to launch a new channel of its own as Dhammadan, which will be used for the delivery and of the Dhamma talk and messages, which will be uploaded on the YouTube for the use and for the benefit of the common all over the world. And it is a great, I have great pleasure to announce that in the aegis and protection of our chief monk, the Venerable Peaceably Thero, and under his ablest leadership, the new channel will work day and night for the propagation of the Buddhism all over the world through the YouTube, Dhammadan. So, at this juncture, I also congratulate my all the office bearer and all the members and the followers of the Buddhism all over the world diaspora and others people, common masses to celebrate the Vaisakh day or Buddha Purnima with full enthusiasm and gaiety. With these words, I again congratulate you and I say all the salutations, Namaskar and Namo Buddhaya to all.